Hey folks, hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna make some quick fried baingan, otherwise known as eggplant, belange, and we're gonna be putting in some smoked fish, right babe?
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna start off by sauteing with some green seasoning. Got our green seasoning going.
We got some tomato in there.
Yeah, tomato, scallions, celery, and some onions.
Some onions in here.
And let that saute for a bit.
I love fried bacon.
Me too. It's one of my favorite veggies.
Yeah.
Favorite vegetable.
Yeah. And guys, you guys can see us cooking with less oil. And we try to keep away from the oil. And try to cook our food a little bit more
Add more
healthy.
water instead of oil.
But I think the eggplant is going to lose a ton of water inside when you put it in, you know. Yep. And we're going to put in some smoked fish in here. And guys, fried bacon with some potatoes inside, and smoked fish is one of my favorite. I know it's most Guyanese favorite.
Roasted eggplant is good too. Sauteed eggplant, curried eggplant, fried eggplant.
Alright, you guys can make eggplant choka, bacon choka. Oh my god, this smells good, right? It smells good, right? I like my veggies a little raw, not too much cooked. I like this seasoning, especially in eggplant. I like it not cooked too much, so you can burst the flavor up in the eggplant. So I'll toss that eggplant in there right now also. And we're using baby red potatoes. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, baby red potatoes.
Yeah.
Guys, when you make your eggplant, like, do you cut it the long way or do you cut it
Yeah,
like
let us know how you cut it.
little pieces like these?
Yeah.
I personally like it when you cut it, like slice it if you're gonna make fried plantains, you know, like long.
Yeah.
But my babe likes it cut like this, but it's not my favorite, but it is good anyways.
Yeah,
The shape doesn't matter.
She like it a little long. You slice it like that.
Yeah. And these are the Chinese eggplant.
Yeah. Chinese eggplant.
The long, skinny eggplant.
But But guys, guess what? She wasn't home. Well, she was down in the office. She wasn't upstairs here in the kitchen. And I cut it the way me want cut them.
Yeah,
Yep, I cut it up the way I like it. You know?
I wasn't here to represent myself.
Yeah.
It's not a fair
Too bad.
representation.
Is it? Too bad.
Yeah, it wasn't a fair representation.
And this eggplant is gonna lose some water in here. And you got some nice smoked fish in here. Check it out. You know, not too much, but it's gonna give it some nice flavor. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we are planning to do some fried fish too, right?
Yep.
No, we need like fried fish
With eggplant.
with eggplant. But since she wasn't here, I didn't have the time to prepare the fried fish. It's still in the freezer. Hey, babe?
Yeah.
Another day, no?
Another day. There's always another day.
Yeah. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna stop. I think I turned off everything enough there.
Yep.
We're gonna cover this guy up here. And we're gonna be back in a few. Alright guys, we're gonna drop some black pepper in here. As we love to do. Black pepper. Okay. Mardman, folk known as
Basil.
some basil in here. I love lots of basil. This gal can laugh hard as y'all know.
I drink laughing oil tonight.
Yeah. As y'all know. Yeah.
Like some of the other
And some
YouTubers.
thyme in here. Yeah. Some thyme in there. Then we're gonna do some pepper flakes right there.
Yeah. Because we just love it spicy. Spicy, schmicey.
And drop some pepper flakes in here.
Hope you guys February has gotten off to a great start and it will be an awesome month. We are heading into the summer. Looking forward to summer. I'm tired of the snow and the cold weather.
In the spring.
Yeah. I need to start wearing my sundress.
Okay, babe, I'll drop some this thing in here. Some salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
That thing name is called salt.
Salt.
Salt. Salt.
Alright.
So
In a few minutes, we're gonna put in the potatoes. Or should we put it in now, honey?
I think so, only because potato is potato. It takes a while to cook. But the baby red
Yeah, the
potatoes,
baby
it
red
cooks
potatoes.
really quick, so.
So I think we should wait a little bit
Yeah.
because that thing is gonna melt up in here, you
We
know what I
probably
mean?
should. Mhm.
Yeah. So guys, this is the potato that we're putting in here. And it might melt up in here, that's what I'm scared of. So I'll wait a few minutes here.
Because you cut it up so small. too,
Yeah.
so.
Because,
Bite-sized pieces.
yeah, correct.
Alright. Looks good. Smells good.
Looks Irish, huh?
Yep. Certainly does.
We didn't peel our eggplant. We never peel our eggplant. As you can see, we didn't peel our potatoes too.
We
That's
cook
where
it
all the
with the
nutrition
skin.
at. All the vitamins and stuff at.
Yep, all the nutrients are in the skin.
Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're gonna put in this potatoes in here. And this should get pretty soft in
Quickly.
like in 5 minutes or so. Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah, we didn't put in too much. We just put in that smoked fish so we can get some flavor in there, you know what I mean? Yeah. And we're gonna drop some of this, guys, in here. Some of this not real pepper,
Barred peppers.
pepper. We got make it look a little nice in there. You know?
I love barred peppers.
Although we have pepper in the green seasoning, we throw pepper flakes, we throw black pepper and all that kind of stuff in there. We've got lots of pepper in here. So I gotta deal with the shit, you know?
Yep, we'll let that simmer down.
Yeah. So a lot of people cut their potatoes in different kind of shapes. This is how I put in a lot more. This is how I like mine's. And I think mine tastes pretty good.
Because you're the best cook.
Yes, baby.
And your food tastes better than anyone else. Well, except mine. But, but overall, you're the best cook. Way better than a whole bunch of people that pretends to be cooking all over.
I know, right?
Yeah. There's a lot of pretentious people who pretend to be
well, there's a lot of folks
pretend
that
to be
I know
cooking.
from cooking on YouTube. I'm talking about YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
That can cook. And a lot of folks on YouTube goes like, "This is what you do, and that's what you do." And you know, I kind of noticed that these niggas them don't know what they're cooking. Yeah, they have no clue what they're doing in a pot, especially when they do it curry. You know what I mean? Yeah, but they got some guys out there
from you.
that can cook, and they know what they're doing, man. Yeah, for real. All right, we're gonna cover this guy up here. I don't want to talk too much because my mouth hot like pepper. All right, I think that's looking good there. Which is on to me. So we're gonna have smoked fish with potatoes and lots of bird pepper and sada roti, cartwheel, or whatever you guys call it. Yep. You can show them. Did you show them?
Pita bread.
Yeah.
Pita bread, cartwheel.
Yeah, I think we just throw this one on here. Yeah, let it cook a little bit more.
Yep.
I like to butter my solder. Cut it in half and butter it in the middle, and eat my food with it, or I eat it with just tea. So guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching and contribute to the channel.
Contributing, yep. Thanks to all the viewers, the subscribers, supporters. We truly appreciate you checking us out on YouTube and continue to support us. We're doing bigger and better things. That will be unveiling pretty soon. So thank you guys
very, very much. And our channel is gonna be actually renaming our channel again. Not again, for the first time. And
yeah, we're gonna be renaming.
We're moving it over from the personal from our regular channel to our personal channel. So I'm using my personal channel, so I'll move it over. So thank you guys very, very much.
More to come.
More to come.
Adios.